Hey Tim, this is John over at My City Guide Digital Media. I just want to give you a quick update. We are going to have the objective and the overview ready for you guys tomorrow. We're really excited to be able to present this to you guys. We feel that we have a couple of things that look like you guys were focusing on with my partner Nick back in Michigan, was to create an always changing, digitally enhanced interactive presence. Also become a trusted source for local firms. That's really important in today's world. When you're Googling a law firm, there's literally thousands. I think there's over 20,000 in your Southeast Michigan area alone. So to have a trusted source, a name to a face, really makes a difference in your local community. And also to organically increase the Dykema brand within the communities, Dyka services, and also beyond. And what I mean by that is I see you guys going further than your 12 offices, obviously here in the United States and nationwide, but to many, many places beyond that we can help you get into the areas you need to with online branding and presence throughout our professional network. We have a network that's literally reaching over 30 million unique visitors every single month.